Matubig rin kasi yung kalabasa.
Gaganigan.
Ayan, let's eat squash. Ang tawag dito, squash. Ano bang pangalan dito? Squash cake? Squash
Ano lang,
pancake.
kalabasa na i-fried.
Fried. Ayan.
Pancake.
Pancake squash. Pancake flavor squash.
Ano, oh, vlogger, Chris.
Let's eat. Ayan guys, you eat squash. Wow, it's so yummy. Yummy, 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 and very healthy food.
Sige,
Okay. Let's eat. Ayan.
Sige.
1 cup. 1 cup.
Kalabasa na with egg.
Kalabasa with egg and magic syrup. Okay.
Sayang.
Okay. Wow. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Gusto ko siya ng laga.
Laga.
Kasi yung ano,
Thank you for watching.